was shocked at, the Meta slash Facebook earnings came out and they got absolutely wrecked, right? And I haven't, so they're down 22%. Look at that, 22%. But I didn't realize how badly Facebook has been doing. Look at this chart. Holy crap. Like at the height, it was almost $400, 380, and now it's at 100. Is this a shitcoin or is this a stock of one of the biggest social media platforms in the world? It doesn't really surprise me though, because I don't know anybody that uses like Facebook anymore. And then the big play on the metaverse, I think that's kind of blown up. I don't even know what I don't read about Facebook, and I only see the major news headlines, so I don't even know what they're doing over there half the time. I know they're working on virtual reality headsets, but as of right now, nothing major has paid off. Let's look at where were they in 2020. So they were here, and then 2018 was back here. So this is kind of the COVID area. So we're below all of this by a significant amount. Significant. And if we look at when Facebook first came out, where are we in terms of the entire move? All right, look at where we are. Let me make sure this is like that. Get this perfect. Like that. We're basically at 78.6, right? Right here. So we stopped at 61.8. All right. And this is for a couple months we stopped here. This is a monthly chart. Keep that in mind. So 3 months, over 3 months, we just sat here and then boom, breakdown. And now we're going to sit at 78.6. You can see there was price action here for a while. So it makes sense that we've stopped here. Then you've got here, and then you've got your 88.6 level. And if it loses that, you're all the way down here. I don't expect that. Okay, so Facebook Meta platform that is not doing very well is at the 78.6. Question is, are there any divs forming? Can we start looking to buy this? To me, no, but it's extremely oversold. Extremely, extremely, extremely oversold. A 9 on the weekly. You can see we did start to have divs forming, but you see how we didn't get out of my red area? We have to wait for that. You gotta wait for that, because if you don't get out of that area, then that means there's more downside ahead. I think we can use a 3-day chart. Yeah, look at this. Look at this downside. So what happened here? So what I would want to look for is a break on the other side of this trend line. I'm going to draw a trend line like this, right, like that. And I'm going to look for a break on the other side of this trend line. Alert, psi, crossing trend line. Once per bar, but once per bar close. I don't want to alert until it closed. I don't care if it just pushes through and comes back down. What else can we look at here? Let me see. This is a significant M. Let's see what chaos gave us. Where are we in terms of chaos levels? Okay, that's interesting. You guys see this? I'm going to delete. So we're at 78.6. And look at where chaos is. Chaos is exactly at 100 from this M top. And you can see also we stopped at the 2.618, 1.618, we blew right through, but we did use the 3.59 and this 3 level as a small channel. Yeah, so we hit this chaos level. So this is telling me, okay, this could be the final stop area for Facebook. Maybe this is the area where we want to consider to start buying a bit because we have this chaos, but I want to wait. I'm going to wait for some divs. I just think it's in a clear downtrend, and better to wait. You see how they did a fake out. Look at this fake out in RSI. No, I'm gonna actually change this. I'm gonna put it on the daily chart. Yeah, look at this fake out. Shoom, shoom. It's too funny. I'm gonna save it daily instead. Yeah, let's see how this develops. I wouldn't be surprised if this if Facebook fills the gap pretty fast. It wouldn't totally surprise me. This is the final like nail in the coffin move. And now all the bulls have been liquidated again. And maybe we can get the gap fill eventually. But as of right now, this doesn't look great on a 15-minute chart. Look at this. The hell? There's literally nothing. Hasn't even crossed It's still bearish on a 15-minute chart. Every time frame is bearish, pretty much. This can still go lower. Maybe we take out the lows, we go to 95, play in this area, fill the gap. You know, definitely something that might be fun to trade at least.